Hello. Today we're actually going to be, as part of the 30,000 mile maintenance on this 2015 Jeep Patriot, we're going to be changing the cabin filter. All right, so the cabin filter in this car has not been changed, I think, since the car was purchased. We're at 48,000 miles. My father-in-law does a good job of doing the maintenance as far as the oil changes and the tires, things like that. But he hasn't done the 30,000 mile maintenance, which includes the cabin air filter, the air filter, and the spark plugs on this Jeep Patriot. So there's other videos. I'll post, a link also, somewhere up there, for the video for the air filter and also for the video for the spark plugs. But this shouldn't take you very long. The filter that we got, this is what I got off of eBay. It's a XC25869C. It's a cabin air filter, and I think it's got, it's a carbon cabin air filter. But they're pretty inexpensive online. I'll put a link in the description to everything that I used, and we're gonna go ahead and change this. The cabin air filter in this vehicle is gonna be actually located down here in the glove compartment. So we're gonna open this up, and from there, you're just gonna push and pull down, and then other side, same thing, push, pull down, and this whole thing should come down. All right, so that's down. There's actually a release cable here that you can release in order to, bring this down a little further. But I think we can hopefully, do without doing that. So this is actually where the cabin filter is located. And I'm gonna turn the car off now, got the air conditioner running. All right, so this is where the cabin air filter is. There's a little tab here. You can just push it in, and this whole door comes out, and you can pull this out. So that's what this looks like. So it goes in on this one side and the other side, and that little tab is what you use in order. All right, so that's your the cover, and then your actual air filter. That's it, sitting right there. We're gonna go ahead and reach in and pull this one out. And take note of the airflow. The airflow is going downwards. And it's in that, wow, that's really, really dirty. That is crazy dirty. It's actually really furry. So anyways, that's never been replaced before. My father-in-law is not a smoker or anything, but that's pretty disgusting. So there was definitely a need for it. Here is the new filter. And then you have the airflow arrows. So that's how it was in there. And that's where you want the airflow going downwards. So that's where the other filter is. So the arrows are on this side instead of on the front. But the airflow is going down. So that's how we're going to install it. So we're going to take this, slide that in, and all the way back, and make sure it's seated. All right, so it's in there. And we have to move this cable out of the way in order to get the cover back on. Squeeze our hands in there. Put this behind this cable first. Okay, so that side's in. And this side's in, so everything's clipped in. Just tug on it, make sure it's not loose, and then from there we're done. So your new cabin air filter's in here. You're gonna go ahead, just push this and up, and you probably want to do both sides at the same time. And it's back in, and we're done. All right, so that's going to be it for changing the cabin filter, and I'm glad I did. This is a pretty disgusting looking cabin air filter. So it was pretty dirty. It was definitely the time to do it. This car has 48,000 miles. I think it's supposed to be replaced at 30,000 miles, but we did that today. You know, several videos today. One of them is spark plugs. The other one's the air filter for the engine. And, you know, last thing I did was the cabin air filter. These are all part of the 30,000 mile maintenance. We're doing that now. And, you know, he's at 48,000 miles. Like I said, he hadn't done it, you know, he had done everything with the oil changes, but we decided to do, you know, tune up and just, you know, do the maintenance for today. And everything, the car's running much better, you know, than it was before. But anyways, I want to thank you. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. I got some merch if you're interested in supporting the channel. I just want to thank you all for watching. You all stay safe and take care. Bye-bye.